what's up? It's Andrew Logan here, and I'm going to be unboxing all 42 Animal Crossing Series 2 cards. Let's get started. So this is my first packet. See if I can open this. Let's see what I get. So first I've got Camofrog, Timbra's a duplicate, and Dawn's a duplicate. Let's get on the next packet. Julian, Scoot. Yes, I wanted Scoot so much. And I got Kicks. So another shiny. Is it focused? Third packet out of 42. I got Olivia, Coach, and Katie, which is a duplicate. I got Kitty. I got Savannah. Is that his name? Yeah. And another Dawn. There's 2 Dawns so far. Let's open the next packet.
Just come next around there, that's easier. Nice and bright there.
We've got Anchor, I think.
No, keep it up there. That's it.
I got Filbert and Booker, which is a police dog. Weird. Next packet. These are what the card packets look like. I got a duplicate, which is Wendy. I got Kid. And an Isabel, the Series 2 Isabel. I'm not sure what packet this is. Camofrog again, Harry, and I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Lila maybe? Lila? I think that's it.
Lila, I think.
Lila. Oh, I got Bud. He's glitchy. I got Vladimir. And I got Blanca.
Oh,
No face.
hence the name.
Ooh, got Benedict. My first, I think it's a mouse. My first mouse
Oh,
called Broccolo. And Reese the Alpaca. Why are you so hard? Yeah, I got one of the superheroes called Kid Cat. I got Keaton, which is a duplicate, and Nat. I forgot what he is again. I think I know what he is. I think it's the guy who could when he catch the bugs. Right, so I got Peck, I got Tipper, I think, yeah. And I think that's my 4th one that I've had out of all of it. Another label. Drift, duplicate, Drift, Mathilda, and Porter. Oh my gosh, there's so much rubbish. Marcel, another superhero, number 200. His name Rocket, and Chip, who does the fishing tournament. Beaver. I've got Rhonda. I've got Nana. Oh, funny name. And I got another Nat. I think I already have Nat. Yeah, I do. That's a duplicate. Right, let's open the next packet. Hope I can collect the whole collection today. Pekin, Nu, Moose, and another Dawn. It's been 50 minutes. Just remember to cut it before, because I don't know how to upload over 15 minutes. Just remember to do that. I got Flip, Red Monkey. I got a really cool one who I quite like. Avery, or Avery maybe. It's like a, I don't know what type of bird that is. And another Katie. How many duplicates? But I suppose because there are only 17 shinies in each series, and so the chances of getting a duplicate of each shiny is pretty good. Like, it has the odds. So I've got Charlize, that is just freaky somehow. I got Pecco, and the guy who annoys me the most on the Animal Crossing Amiibo Festival, the comedian Shrunk. So hard to open. Oh, I got Coco, Egbert, and another Chip. Next packet. Quite a few, quite a lot of duplicates. I can't open this one. Yeah. Thanks. Which is the bit I helped open that packet. Okay, I got Carmen. I can see a duplicate. Carmen. Tom's not a duplicate. But then the duplicate is Jack. Born on the same day as LaBelle. They're both born on Halloween. Aren't they? Let's get another one. Right, so I've got Ed. Is that a duplicate?
Don't think so.
No. Ed. Oh, I like that one. Lucha, and I can see a blue in the background. It's another Reese duplicate. I got the card that I wanted, which his name was Scoot Duck. happy with that. Nan. Pete. And another Thrunk. Right, so in this packet, I see something that I really wanted. I've got Big Top, Agent S. That means I've got all the superheroes, and KK number 101, which is the first card in Series 2. Right, on to the next packet. Take my time and open it carefully. Okie dokes. Right. J. Sly. Tommy. Tommy is the brother of Timmy. They're twins. They're like literally the same but in different clothes. Next packet. Bettina. Another Cookie. And another Lila. Not too bad so far. I think I can complete the collection. You can only try. Oh, this one's really funny. He looks like posh or something. Chops. Yeah. Poncho. And another Jack. Right. Next packet. I might get all of them in this video. I'll try. Agnes. Rodney. And Copper. Yeah. So here. I'll do a part 2 in this video. This is the first part. And see you guys next time. Goodbye.